Hey, what's up, guys? This is Cody the Coin Raptor, and welcome to my channel. I'm here to provide you the best crypto content you can find in 10 minutes. And we're going to start off with the Ethereum chart today, because Ethereum, as you can see here very clearly, has broken out of that range. This massive resistance level at 1272, it has finally pushed above it. And it has been quite a few days, actually. 4 of the previous days have been green days for the crypto space, and we'll see that when we look at the Bitcoin charts as well. The only thing that concerns me about this right now is you take a look at the volume here at the bottom, and the volume for this breakout is not particularly high. So what that's telling me is that the sellers have basically vanished. They've disappeared entirely. And it only took a very small amount of volume in order to push it above this very key resistance level here. So what does that mean for Ethereum in the short term? So let's take a look at our RSI. All right, take a look at RSI. RSI right now for the day is at 58, which is fairly high. That's the highest that it's been in a while. I mean, since April, basically. That's as high as it's been. So it's as overbought as it's been in the last couple of months. So we have buyers come in here. Buyers are buying and buying and buying and buying and buying, and now it is definitely overbought. I am not going anywhere near Ethereum right now. I did make a previous Ethereum buy back when it was 1155. I am not going to be touching this right now. I want to see where it goes. It is way overbought. And I expect that these 4 green days here will not last, and eventually we'll get a red candle pulling us back down into this range for a little bit, and then we'll probably chop sideways. So I think that's entirely very likely. And a lot of this depends upon what the market does on Monday. So we could definitely see a little bit of a rally going on here, and that rally could be cut short depending on if the stock market opens and it's just bleeding downwards and losing rapidly, then we could see a pullback in crypto prices. So the next resistance level for Ethereum right now is let's see, about 1450 or so. That's what we're looking at, 1450, and then a very strong resistance level here at 1700, where our previous bottom was. So that support that was here is now resistance, very strong resistance. But Ethereum is going to need more volume in order to push into that level, because this volume, even in the past 4 days, has not been super strong. It's been okay, but you need a larger volume candle like this one right here, this green one, in order to see big price movement. Or alternatively, you need multiple days of green candles like we've seen here in these last 4 days. But that trend is extremely hard. It's extremely hard to continue. And the last time we had 4 green candles like that in a row was actually back in March. So that's how far back it's been. It's been quite some time. Now let's take a look at the Bitcoin charts. Bitcoin is still in this range. Bitcoin is stuck right in the middle of this range. We've seen this for the past couple of days. It has those same 4 green candles here. However, Bitcoin has not been able to push past resistance, despite the fact that it's had those 4 green days. It's gone from at the bottom of the range from about 18,000 all the way up here to about 21,300. So sellers are still stepping in, and accordingly the price is moving sideways. So I expect to see that Bitcoin will either take a move to the upside or a breakdown to the downside, and then continue on from there. RSI right now, not overbought, not oversold, right in the middle of the range. So Ethereum is breaking out. Bitcoin is asleep right now. So if anything changes, though, I'll make sure I let you guys know. One other thing I want to point out here is the Bitcoin dominance percentage has taken a huge hit. Ever since last month, it has been downtrending the whole month. It went from 48% all the way down to where it is right now at 42%. If it goes any further than this, it's going to threaten this uptrend that we've seen here. It's going to put this uptrend into threat, and so that kind of matches what we've seen, though, with the rise of Ethereum and other altcoins, is that Bitcoin dominance has taken a big hit. All right, so let's talk about crypto news. First off, Vladimir Putin has banned digital payments in Russia. So they've done a complete 180 from the earlier portion of the year in which they were talking about making crypto payments valid and legal in their country. And now they've gone and said, no, we're going to actually go ahead and ban digital payments. Not a good step for cryptocurrency, but honestly, I'm not super shocked considering that China already has that ban in place and Russia and China are lockstep on a lot of issues. So they've decided that they don't want any digital securities as a payment of goods in Russia. But that I think it's a little funny considering they've also tried to use cryptocurrencies to try to evade sanctions. They've been sanctioned recently, and cryptocurrency actually would have been a good way to evade some sanctions that's been placed in the country following the invasion of Ukraine. So we'll see how this turns out. I'm not surprised that they've banned digital payments in Russia. However, I don't think that it will have a huge impact on the markets. And we've seen previously that Bitcoin is doing just fine. Bitcoin doesn't need Russia. Ethereum does not need Russia. But what we do want to see is we want to see additional adoption coming from other countries. All right. Also, very important information. Coinbase has shut down its U.S. affiliate program. Now, there are quite a few influencers, crypto influencers in space who do like to talk about Coinbase, and they can use affiliate links to make money off of that. And apparently, Coinbase has decided that they don't want to continue this U.S. affiliate program. So instead, this has been led to some speculation that Coinbase is having some monetary problems. And I don't know if that's going to be the case or not. Coinbase does have, last time I checked, over $6 billion in cash for assets. I don't think that there any risk of insolvency, but there are some people who have noticed red flags to say, well, why can't they even pay $5 for a new user? So it does seem a bit weird that they've done this. It's probably just part of belt tightening, along with some restructuring and layoffs. Not a big surprise for the crypto space, because the crypto space has been just ravaged the last couple of months, and so a lot of these companies are looking for ways to save money and just cut costs. And that's part of cutting costs, is that they're going to go ahead and get rid of their affiliate marketing program. All right. Okay, guys, that's all I got for you today. If you like this content, please let me know. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. I would greatly appreciate that. Let me know what I can do better. Let me know what you'd like me to cover. This is Cody the Coin Raptor, signing out.